In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to stop a table from expanding in Excel. If you've ever typed directly below or beside a formatted table and watched Excel automatically pull those new cells into the table, you know how disruptive that can be. The fix is quick, and it changes a single setting so Excel stops expanding tables for you. Start by opening Excel and going to the File tab. You'll find it on the ribbon at the top left of the window. This takes you to the Backstage view, where you can adjust program-wide settings that affect how Excel behaves, not just how a single workbook looks. Next, click Options. It's usually near the bottom of the left-hand menu. This opens the Excel Options window, which is the control center for many default behaviors. In the Excel Options window, select Proofing on the left. Even though we're not checking spelling, this is where Excel keeps the AutoCorrect settings that control automatic formatting as you type. Now click AutoCorrect Options. A new window appears with several tabs. These tabs govern what Excel tries to help you with while you're entering data, including formatting choices it applies on the fly. Switch to the AutoFormat as you type tab. This section is specifically about the formatting Excel applies automatically while you're working, like turning text into hyperlinks or adjusting lists. It also includes the setting that makes tables expand when you add data around them. Find the option labeled Include New Rows and Columns in Table and uncheck it. This is the key. When this box is checked, Excel assumes that any data you type directly under or next to a table should become part of that table. Unchecking it tells Excel to leave your table boundary alone, so you can add notes, scratch calculations, or staging data near a table without changing its size or formulas. Finally, click OK. Excel will save this preference, and your tables will no longer auto-expand when you type adjacent to them. This is a program-level setting, so it applies to your Excel app going forward. If you ever want the old behavior back, you can return to the same spot and recheck the box. That's it. With this change, you keep full control over when a table grows, which helps protect your formulas, totals, and formatting from unintended changes. Thanks for watching, and happy spreadsheeting.